quick appearing. What? I have a special surprise. And if you guys want me to do aggressive videos, I can, because this package is fragile. Take note of that. Take note of that. It's fragile. If the audio is bad, it's because I'm recording this on my laptop. My tablet is dead and it won't charge. Hooray! So what am I gonna be unboxing? I got another one of these things. Now, if you don't know what these are called, these are called ceiling fans. They hang from your ceiling and they spin and they blow air. Very basic logic. Which, let me put a hand back right here. Which I am going to be unboxing a new one, which is right here. Which is very packaged very badly. My knees are so ashy. I had eczema, so don't judge me. Yeah. You guys probably think I hate ceiling fans after one fell on me. No, I still love them. This is my cousin's old ceiling fan. He got rid of it. He and she. His girlfriend still liked the ceiling fan because she liked the black motor, but she liked the old looking motor. Because the motor is black on the ceiling fan. It's actually not my Armitage. It's actually a different ceiling fan. Has a different motor housing. It's actually my cousin's old ceiling fan. He packaged it so badly. There you go. Popped open right away. This is my cousin's old ceiling fan, which it was in their bedroom. You can already see a whole bunch of parts, but it was in their bedroom. It's some generic Hugger ceiling fan. I don't know what it is. As you can see, it's very packaged very badly. But, yeah. It's drawn all over. The bottom vents are original, but the side vents are all drawn over. You know how it has the filigree? Yeah, that's all drawn over because they had kids. And they drew all over it when they were putting it up. Back in, like, I don't know, like 1988. I think this fan's from, like, 1988. But, and his girlfriend liked the dated look because the motor's black. She liked the dated look. She liked the motor black. She liked the black motor, right? But on the same time, her boyfriend, my cousin, he didn't like it. He didn't like it no more. He thought it looked dated, but his girlfriend still liked it. So I was like, he doesn't. So he didn't want to throw it away. So it was like, let me just send it to my cousin. Nito would like it. So yeah, me Nito right here unboxing this ceiling fan. So let's get to unboxing this ceiling fan. First we got the blade brackets. Wait, why is there only 4 blades? There's only 4 blades, so why is there... There is 6 blade arms. Ooh. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 blade arms. There are 6 blade arms. The blades are on the all the way bottom, so there are 6 blade arms for some reason. I don't know why. I think they're extras because this is a cheap ceiling fan. It's from the 90s, but it's still a cheap ceiling fan. He said him and his girlfriend. He said him and his girlfriend got it used because they were not born in the 90s. They were born in like 2007. But yeah, there's all 6 blade arms, and here we have your motor. The blades are on the bottom, so we'll take out the motor. Oh god, that's gonna break. Here's the black motor. Did they paint it white on the top? They did paint it white on the top. Oh, I remember. It's painted white on the top. It's painted white on the top because they took the motor, because they had the motor housing off the fan, and a lot of paint dripped on the top of it, so they just painted the whole top white. I don't know why they would ever do that. There's the motor. And the paint's scratching off. That's how old it is. Or this paint. Here we have the screws. Oh god. He put them in his Ziploc bag. This is gonna be troublesome. Oh, the screws are different colors. That's good. I'm gonna make a separate video because my laptop, whenever I upload a video, it crashes because it says, "Oh, the video is too long." So I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of me putting this together. So it's gonna say new ceiling fan part 1, new ceiling fan part 2. Yeah. Alright, here we have the motor housing. Your globe. Such a big fake globe. A fake globe! What I meant to say. It's actually pretty nice. Hang on that for long. Here we have the motor housing. It's a generic motor housing. Generic motor housing. Very generic. And there you go. Oh! That nearly hit the globe. I'm gonna move the globe. Oh! Dang, I'm dropping everything. Here are the blades. White. Drawn all over. Because the kids there like to copy me because my Armitage ceiling fan, I painted the motor black, so they copied off of me drawing a stencil on it. Which they didn't even have the stencil side down. They did have the white side down, so the kids can see it. But then they had this. Then they had the ceiling fan in the kids' room for a amount of time. Then they moved them. Then they moved it back into their room. So we don't need those two. So all we need is. Oh shit! That chipped the paint! That freaking chipped the paint! I was gonna show you, but I'm not gonna show you because it's too small, but I threw a box over there that chipped a big had to paint off. Bitch, work with me here. So I threw the box, the Amazon box, the cheap ass Amazon box he shipped the ceiling fan in. Well, he actually gave it to me in person. I just came back from his house, but I threw the box at the wall. Look at that! Oh my god! It's all over the ground. But yeah. Bye! See you on part 2.